going on, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I was gonna make this a video, but it's probably gonna be a short ass video because this shit is easy as fuck, not gonna lie. Got my puppy right here. But a year ago, back in like December 2022, I installed these headlights and I said I was gonna install a relay and I was gonna show you guys, but I never did. I barely bought them not that long ago. Oh shit, but it's very, very easy. I got, you can tell, the relay right here, and there goes a positive connected to a fuse, which is I forgot what fuse this is. This is the green one, 12 amps probably. And then over here you have two cables on the relay. So it's a yellow one that connects to your new headlights, and then there's another one that connects to your old headlight. So the new one is like this one. This one plugs into the new headlights. It only has it on one side for the old headlights, if that makes any sense. But on this side you just run it across. You plug this in here, you ground this cable. But I'm having trouble taking this off, so I'm gonna do it the long way. But I don't know if you guys could see in there. But here's the old cable. It has extra cables, that's for turn signal, which my car doesn't. But hold on. There's the old one. There's right there's the other colors. But it's really easy. Probably show you the aftermath. What we had problem last time was that the high beams didn't work, so it was just stuck on low beam. The output was pretty okay, but supposedly this cable makes it better. And I'll show you guys right now when I'm done. Back. I just finished putting on the headlights. You can see the relay right there. The relay cable, the old headlight cable is still back here. You don't need it. It's unplugged right there. See it? You just throw that back there. You don't really need it. The new one right there, like I said, these are turn signal cables. You probably want to tape them up so they don't touch anything. They don't ground out. I ran that shit through the front grill because I didn't know. I ran it through here first, but I didn't want it to be there. And then everything's connected through here. Yeah, you can see some rust, but everything's right there. And then let's show you guys it works. There it is, guys. It's on. Now let's show you some high beams. The other one's on. I'll probably throw in a clip from at night to show you guys how it looks better. If you go back to my old video, you can see. I should probably adjust it because you can see the light right there. But if you go back to my old video, you can see how it was before. And if you guys didn't know, these are the old cables I had connecting to the new headlight, to the old one. You see I taped one off. It came with the diagram, but either way, if I connected it right, it still didn't work because Toyota runs negative terminals, or I don't know. I looked it up and it said I needed a relay, so that's what we got right here. This is the old one. Probably end up keeping these for something or just trash them. All right, y'all. I'm in this street here. I was trying to find a street where I won't blind no one, but this is regular, no high beams. This is high beams. All the way over there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's nice. Alright guys, that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I know I'm like years late with this video, like 1 year late, maybe 2. I'm not sure, but it wasn't even like a good video. It's just like a demonstration and shit. Like I was supposed to record installing them and teaching you guys how to do it, but I forgot. So it's just a little like 4-minute video maybe. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.